Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 23rd July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, you now have to think about yourself and not others, because according to the drama, whoever does anything receives the return of it. Question. What have you souls become aware of by becoming Trikaldarshi? Answer. You souls have become aware that you were originally residents of the incorporeal world and that you came here to play your parts in this drama. You became the main actors and played your parts for 84 births. You are now personally in front of the Father, and you will then go back home with Him. You have to become pure and return home, and then go to the land of happiness. The whole of this play is based on Bharat. You souls have become aware of all of this by becoming Trikaldarshi. Song. To live in your lane and to die in your lane. The essence for dharana is point number 1. Watch this unlimited play as a detached observer. Don't be afraid of anyone. In order to become fearless, make the lesson, I am a soul, firm. Point number 2. Check and test yourself to see that none of your physical senses cause mischief. Have I conquered the vice of lust? To what extent have I become soul conscious? Today's blessing is, may you have all rights, cycle after cycle, with the awareness of your combined form and the intoxication of your position. Again, may you have all rights, cycle after cycle, with the awareness of your combined form and the intoxication of your position. Remain combined with the awareness of I and my Baba, and constantly be aware of this elevated position. Today, I am a Brahmin, and tomorrow I will become a deity. Always remember the mantra, Hum so hum. By having the intoxication and happiness of this, you will easily forget the old world. You will always have the intoxication that you are a soul who has all rights, cycle after cycle. I was this, I am this, and I will be this, cycle after cycle. Slogan. Become your own teacher and all weaknesses will automatically finish. Again. Become your own teacher and all weaknesses will automatically finish. Om Shanti.